Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making strawberry jam. We are going to be making use of 3 ingredients to do this. It doesn't really take much of your time. Stay tuned and watch me do this. For this video, I'm actually going to be making use of 1000 grams of strawberries, and I'm going to be also making use of 150 grams of sugar, and I'm also going to be adding lemon. I'm going to be starting up with these 2 ingredients, which is sugar and strawberries. It doesn't really take much of your time to get this done. First and foremost, I'm going to be washing the strawberries, which I am going to wash 2 times in order to remove all the details. After the thorough washing, I'm going to be adding sugar. You are expected to mix the strawberry with the sugar very well in order for it to be well coated. While you are doing this, you will notice that the strawberry is really melting. This is a good one, and after I must have mixed it properly, I'm going to allow it to rest for 1 hour. This is exactly 1 hour that I left it, so I'm going to be transferring it into the pot, which I'm going to be using to cook it. On a medium heat, allow this strawberry to simmer, and you have to also continuously be turning it for about 10 minutes. When you look at this pot, you will notice that it is more liquid than before, so which shows that you are getting it, so you have to continue to steam it. Remember that I'm making use of 3 ingredients, so I'm going to be squeezing in lemon into this strawberry. The more it cooks, the more watering it becomes, but you don't really need to bother yourself about the watery nature of it. It will later start thickening. As you can see, it is getting thickening here. The foaming on top of this strawberry shows that it is not ready. The more it cooks, the more the color changes. So as you can see, the color has changed. What I'm doing now is to test whether it is ready or not. I allow the strawberry on this plate to get cold. When I try to drop it and it drops, that means it is not ready. When it does not drop, it is ready. For those who have kids that likes to eat jam, you have to try to make it by yourself. The homemade jam helps you to control the amount of sugar that is added to your jam. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.